Barktoberfest is by far the only and the greatest place you can bring your dog to. It's an incredible event.
Get a team together, raise some money, get some shirts on, and get out here.
Let's walk for Lollypop.
Lollypop Farm, by far, is the greatest organization in upstate New York as far as doing pet rescue.
And this is the biggest, best dog party in the whole county, maybe even the whole state.
What do I think about Barktoberfest? It's the most fun you could ever have.